Allow the Reverend Sister to come. You cannot see, but you are seeing now. Jesus is the sweetest name I know.
It's always what he says. What is holy name? That is the reason why I love it so. Jesus is the sweetest name I know.
Reverend Sister, what is that?
My name is Sister Juliana Eligwe. I'm from Canada. I came this early morning today from Canada with wheelchair and my cane.
You came with the wheelchair?
Yes.
And you came?
Yes.
Where is the wheelchair?
From the airport, they use at the airport.
Wait. Huh?
At the airport, they use wheelchair all the way from Winnipeg till I landed in Port Harcourt 12 a.m. last night. And this morning in the plane, I came with this to Zion. Now I can walk, I can jump.
Sister, let's hear you. You know, there are some people that are doubting the power of God. Which state do you come from?
I came from Winnipeg, Manitoba, in Canada.
No, I mean the state you come from, Nigeria or Africa.
Oh, I'm from Uzakon, in Abia State.
Now, sister, you know you're a reverend sister?
Yes, sir.
You say they carry you from the wheelchair from airport.
Yes.
Because you cannot walk.
Yes.
And even in a plane, this is what you use to sustain yourself.
Yes, I use it to support myself so that I can walk.
What happened during the prayer? What happened?
So during the prayer, I have been singing and asking God that today is my last. I will use this. For 3 years, I had an accident. I've been suffering this. And they said that I will do knee replacement. I said, no, I don't want knee replacement. That I believe in the God of Zion, that God will heal me. I must go to Odeshi. And my doctor was saying, what is Odeshi? I said, you will see.
Okay, Canada doctor, say what is Odeshi?
Yes. I said, Odeshi, you will see I'm going to receive my miracle. I will come back, you will see me without my care and any of those. And it has happened.
Wave your hands unto the Lord. Wave your hands unto the Lord. A shout of praise. A shout of praise. A shout of praise. Sister, you will just sit down on my chair. Sit down on my chair. She came from Canada. Canada today with this walking stick and also wheelchair from the plane. But now she can dance. Who said Jesus, not the walk? Zion, oh, lo, 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 lo. Oh, lo, 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 lo. Sister, have you come to Zion before?
This is my first time. I haven't. I've been a member in Canada group.
A member in Canada?
Yes, Tonya is our admin. And Rachimika knows me when we had meeting. So
meeting online? No, Chumika has never gone to Canada.
No. What I mean is online through Zoom and prayer. No, you haven't. Today is my first time.
Somebody said she's one that brought you.
Yes, that's my friend that brought me.
That helped you. Let me see the woman that helps Reverend Sister.
I said it that she will leave this town and go without her. And now my own is even getting better.
Well, are you the one that helped her?
Yes.
What did you help her to do?
I was in the airport at Port Harcourt International till 12 a.m. just to welcome her, so as to bring her here in Zion. And when we entered here, I told her that we are not going to go the same. Yesterday, I'm going to Serbia. But because of her, say, she's going to stay in my house. I will not leave her come here. So I waited her. Then by 8:40, then we entered plane and we came. When we reached her, I told sister, then I carried the sound and put on her legs. Say, oh, you come out to your slippers. You must not go the same. This fence will go because there's a lot of drugs that she's taking. No, don't remember. I said,
I have all my medication here with me.
Really?
Yes.
Still, you can't stand up without walking stick.
I can't.
And you have all the whole drugs here.
Yes.
Go and bring the drugs. Help sister to go and bring the drugs. Let's see the drugs. I prophesy for your own healing. Right now, let the power of healing begin to hit your mother.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload an amazing video just like this one you're watching, YouTube will notify you. Thank you.
Sister, sit down. In the name of Jesus. These are.
The rest are in the hotel where we lodge. These are some of them I have here.
You must take these drugs.
Yes, please.
And you must walk with this walking stick.
Yes.
But now you can walk, no pain again.
Pain. No pain.
This is the handwork of Omechara Fancha, Okuchara Fancha, Ohuchara Fancha. The glory should not be given to me. I am nobody. I am just instrument. I don't even know you are here. So God is the one. After the anointing on the shear, then you can go back. Go, for the Lord has